Welcome back to your 5-minute knowledge boost. Today's topic is based on the one that is turning worlds upside down.
The invisible force that's shaping everything around you, AI. Imagine if your phone could think. Oh wait, it kinda does. That's AI. In today's video, we're making sense of it all. Simply, clearly, and together. Let's dive in. Hey Jaden, I have few doubts just like others. How does Netflix know what I want to watch? Or how does my phone unlock just by seeing my face?
That's because of something called artificial intelligence, or AI. It helps computers learn from us and do smart things. In this video, I'll explain what AI is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal.
Okay, but what exactly is AI?
AI means teaching computers to think and make decisions, kind of like humans. It helps them learn from patterns and solve problems on their own.
How do you teach a computer to think?
It's like teaching a kid. You show it what to do and give a reward when the kid gets it right. Over time, the kid learns what you want. With AI, we use data instead of reward.
Are there different ways AI can learn?
Yes, 3 main ways. Firstly, supervised learning. We give the computer examples with answers. Like flashcards. This is a cat. This is a dog. It learns by looking at what's right and wrong. This is used in spam filters, face recognition, and more.
What if there are no answers?
Then another way that's called unsupervised learning. The computer just gets a bunch of stuff and figures out patterns on its own, like sorting toys by shape or color without being told how. Apps like Spotify or YouTube use this to group content you might like. And there is a third way, which is reinforcement learning. Here, AI learns by trial and error, like playing a video game. It keeps trying and learns from mistakes. This helps with things like self-driving cars and robots.
So does AI have a brain?
Of course, not like ours, but it has something called a neural network. It's a system that helps AI learn step by step. To recognize a face, for example, it first sees shapes, then eyes and mouth, then says, "That's Lynn."
Where do we see AI in real life?
Everywhere. For example, Netflix recommends shows, Instagram shows, posts, Google Maps finds directions, Siri and Alexa answer your questions, Spotify picks songs for you, even farms use AI with drones to check crops.
Oh, that's interesting. What about self-driving cars?
Yep, that's AI too. They use cameras and sensors to drive safely. AI also powers robots in warehouses, delivery drones, and even helps doctors in surgery. You know why people love AI?
Let me guess. Because it helps us do things better and faster. 1. Find diseases early. 2. Translate languages. 3. Make music and art. 4. Understand big data. It saves time and helps us do more. But if there are pros, there will be some cons, right? What are they?
Interesting question, Sam. Yes, there are some risks. 1. AI can be unfair if it learns from bad data too. It might replace some jobs. 3. It can spread fake content like deepfakes. 4. And it can be used to spy on people. That's why we need rules to make sure AI is used the right way.
Well, that's a bit scary. What's next for AI?
1. Writes movie scripts. 2. Cooks food based on your health. 3. Helps with personal health. 4. Even supports lawyers and teachers. AI won't replace us. It will help us do more.
So AI is a really big part of the future?
Totally. AI is like electricity, powering things quietly in the background. You don't need to be a tech genius to get it. Just be curious.
Thanks, Jaden. So now we've covered what AI is, what it can do, and how it learns from us. This is just the beginning. We're starting a whole series on important AI topics where you'll get to understand AI in simple, clear ways. We'll also dive into other must-know tech topics that'll really help you grow in our upcoming videos. Got a topic in mind? Drop it in the comments. We're keeping an eye on it. And of course, hit that subscribe button and let's keep learning about AI together. One simple idea at a time. Bye. See you in the next video.